What if you could turn a simple product image into a professional UGC ad that looks like it was filmed by a real creator? With Polo Agent 2.0, you can now build the entire ad, from the product visuals and realistic creator scenes to the final promotional video, using AI. No need to spend hours planning shots or figuring out complicated workflows. You simply give the AI your product, and it can help turn that idea into a polished ad design to grab attention and showcase the product. And the crazy part? You can create the whole thing in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make high-quality UGC product ads with Pollo Agent 2.0, step by step, so you can create your own ads from scratch. Let's get started. First, click the link in the video description, and you'll be taken directly to the Polo AI interface, where you'll see the prompt box at the top. Now let's take a quick look at some of the powerful features available inside Polo AI. To access them, simply click Agent from the left sidebar, then select Skills. Here, you'll find different creative options, including story, marketing, e-commerce, design, and social media. For this tutorial, we're going to start with the story skill. The story skill is especially useful if you want to create anime videos, kids' stories, or other narrative-based content. Here, I already have my character sheets prepared, so I'll upload them first. Then, I'll paste a short prompt that gives the agent instructions about the story, including what I want the characters to do and how I want the scenes to develop. There's also one important thing I want to point out. Polo AI agent can use the powerful Seedance 2.5 video generation model, but you need to explicitly mention Seedance 2.5 in your prompt if you want the agent to use it. So, I'll include that instruction here before generating the video. Now, I'll click Generate, and as you can see, Polo AI has started processing everything automatically. The agent handles the entire workflow for us, from understanding the story and generating the scenes to keeping the characters looking consistent throughout the video. And once the process is complete, you get a ready-made story video without having to manually create and arrange every scene yourself.
Is this Earth?
Yeah, but why?
Then I'm already too late.
What's happening?
They found me.
Who did?
The ones who followed me here!
Where are we going?
Somewhere they can't see us!
Why did you come here?
Because this was the one world I couldn't let them destroy.
Then why me?
Because you're the only one who can save it. Run!
Who are you?
Someone who came a very long way to find you.
Now let's test Polo AI by creating professional product ads using just a product URL, product images, or other basic assets. We'll see how the agent can turn these simple inputs into polished ads, including UGC-style videos, with most of the creative work handled automatically. Let's start with the easiest scenario. Since I don't have a product ready to use right now, I'll head over to Amazon and search for a product we can use as an example. I'll choose this product here as our sample. Now, simply copy the product URL, go back to Polo AI, and select Agent Mode. Once that's selected, paste the product link into the prompt box and click Generate. What's really interesting here is that I'm not manually feeding the AI every single detail about the product. The agent can analyze the product page, understand the information it finds, and use those details to build the creative direction for the advertisement. This makes the whole process much faster and easier, especially when you don't already have a complete creative brief prepared. As you can see, the agent is now processing the product information and generating a model for our ad video. And the best part is that this entire process only took a few minutes. Here are the 2 ads it created, simply by using the product URL. Let's take a look at the results.
Wait, Soda can actually be the better choice because sometimes you just want that frizzy, satisfying soda moment without all the usual baggage. That's where Bloom Pop comes in. Bold, bubbly, and seriously satisfying. But here's what makes it different. Bloom Pop is made with clinically backed prebiotics to support gut health and healthy metabolism. Just 20 calories, around 3 to 4 grams of sugar. Your soda craving? Upgraded.
Now, obviously, the first generation isn't necessarily going to be perfect, and that's completely fine. The real question is how much control we actually have over the final result. So, instead of starting from scratch and generating another ad from the product URL, let's take things a step further and see what happens when we provide the agent with our own product images. Now, this time, I'm going to upload 2 things, my character sheet image and my product sheet image. Once those are uploaded, I've also prepared a short prompt that includes some basic product details and a few key selling points. The idea here is to keep things as simple as possible. I'm only giving the agent the images and a few important details and letting it handle the rest. So, I'll copy the prompt and paste it into the Polo AI prompt box, then click Generate. Now you can see the Polo AI agent starting to process all the information. From here, it handles the entire creative workflow for us, creating the hook, keeping the character consistent throughout the video, arranging the clips, adding the voiceover and background music, and putting everything together into a complete advertisement. And the impressive part is that we're doing all of this from just a couple of images and a short prompt. After only a few minutes, the finished video is ready. As you can see, the agent has put everything together for us. Let's take a look at the final result.
Every morning, your skin is telling you something. It wants more moisture, more glow, more life. That's why we created Lenovo Daily Hydrating Lotion. Deep hydration, beautifully lightweight, and designed for every skin type. Just one pump to soften, smooth, and reveal the radiant skin you deserve. Lenovo, soft, smooth, radiant.
And the result is honestly pretty impressive. Considering that we only provided a couple of images and a short prompt, the agent was able to turn them into a complete, polished ad with very little manual work from our side. Now, let's take it one step further and test the Polo AI agent with a completely different type of content. This time, I'm going to ask it to create a UGC-style ad. On Polo AI, select Agent Mode, and once that's selected, upload your model image. After the image is uploaded, I already have a short but detailed prompt prepared specifically for creating this UGC ad. I'll simply copy that prompt and paste it into the Polo AI prompt box, then click Generate. Now you can see the agent starting to process everything. It handles the creative direction, builds the UGC-style scenes, and puts the different elements together automatically. And just a few minutes later, the entire ad is ready. As you can see, we now have a complete UGC-style advertisement created with minimal effort. Let's take a look at the final result.
If your skin has been dull and dry no matter what you try, this is why. I found Lunati and honestly, game changer. One pump, I just press it right here and it sinks in instantly. My skin literally drinks it. Soft, plump, actually glowing. I'm obsessed. You need to try this.
And once again, the result is pretty impressive. From just a model image and a simple, detailed prompt, Polo AI was able to turn the idea into a complete UGC-style ad with very little manual work. The whole process is fast, simple, and gives you a solid starting point that you can further customize if needed. Here's another really interesting feature I'd love to show you. Polo AI can actually recreate an entire ad for your own product. If you scroll down on the website, you'll find thousands of ready-made templates covering different categories, products, and advertising styles. All you need to do is find a template that matches the style you're looking for and click Recreate. Once you select the template, you'll be asked to add your own product images. And if you want to use a specific model or character, you can upload that image as well. Then add a few simple instructions such as create a cinematic product video ad from image 1, image 2, matching the style of a reference video. After adding your instructions, simply click Generate. And that's it. Within just a few seconds, Polo AI will recreate the ad using your own product and the style of the reference template. As you can see, you can take an existing ad concept you like and quickly adapt it for your own product without having to create everything from scratch.
Soft skin, endless glow. Lunovia. Soft skin, endless glow.
Using this feature, you can easily clone or recreate existing ad videos and adapt them for your own products. It's a simple way to take an ad style you like, replace the original product with your own, and create a similar creative without having to build the entire video from scratch. And that's it. You've now seen how Polo AI can handle the heavy lifting and turn simple prompts, images, and product details into complete videos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.